So if your cat is fighting with other cats, marking, scratching the furniture, hiding, or just generally on edge, and you've ruled out anything medical, there's a whole category of products designed to help with that. And it has nothing to do with sedating your cat. So let's go over the TopSum Cat Calming Pheromone Diffuser. I'm gonna go over what this actually is, how it works, walk through the key ingredients in it, and show you how easy it is to set up, and then talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. So this is a plug-in pheromone diffuser for cats. It comes as a value pack, 2 diffuser bases, and 2 48mm refill vials. So you can run it in more than one room or for more than one cat right out of the box. And it plugs into a standard wall outlet. The refill lasts about 30 days, and to humans, it's completely odorless. Okay, so this is what you get here. You got 2 of the wall plug units, as you can see, and 2 of the vials. There's 48 milliliters or 1.6 fluid ounces in each one. That's pretty small, fit in the size of my hand. The diffuser, so we have a button on top right here along with the indicator light. It's a nice sturdy build on this. It's lightweight plastic, no moving parts, nothing fancy here. And the whole appeal is that you set it up once and just forget about it. Okay, so the first thing worth understanding, because this is the part that sounds, a little squirrely at first, is what this is actually doing. So synthetic feline facial pheromone diffuser. So this mimics the chemical signal cats deposit when they rub their cheeks on your furniture or your leg. And that cheek rub is your cat making the area as safe and familiar. So this diffuser is basically broadcasting that same "this space is already marked safe" message into the room. So this isn't a sedative. It's not knocking your cat out or making them drowsy. It's giving them a constant background cue that the territory is okay, and which is what calms down a lot of stress behaviors. Another great feature of this is 1 unit covers up to 750 square feet. So each refill lasts about 30 days. So that's roughly 1 good sized room per diffuser for a full month. And because the kit comes with 2, you can cover 2 rooms or run 1 in the main living area and 1 in the room your cat actually sleeps in. So you can literally watch the liquid level drop in the vial over the month, which is how you know it's still working, and when it's time to swap in a new refill. And this truly is odorless. There is no scent at all to the human nose. If you're sensitive to fragrances or you had bad luck with plug-in air fresheners that take over the room, this is not that. Cats communicate through chemical signals that don't register as smells to us. So the room just smells like the room. So there's no pill to give the cat, no spray bottle to deal with, no collar to fight onto a cat that doesn't want to wear it. It's all right here. And again, replacing the diffuser head about every 6 months. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this up. Really simple. Grab one of the vials, unscrew, and we go ahead and put it on in. Just go ahead and screw it on in, and then go ahead and plug it in. Push the button, and that's it. So it's kind of hard to see. There we go. So it's lit up, and you're good to go. And the diffuser is going. See the light right there? So as simple as that. And to turn it off, just press the button, and then replacing the cartridge, again, really simple. You can easily see how much solution you have left. And you can just throw this away when it's done, and then pop on in the other one. Okay, so this builds up over time. So the label says you should see visible results in about 2 weeks, and that lines up with what, I found some cats respond within a few days, others take the full 2 weeks, and a few take even longer than that. So you're not getting a one-shot fix here. You're changing the baseline of the room. So that's actually the most convincing test of whether it's working. When the refill runs out and you forget to swap it, the scratching, the fighting, the hiding tends to come back. So that's the moment most people become believers in this. So let's go over the pros of this. So it is drug-free, hands-off way to take the edge off a stressed cat, and it's genuinely odorless, even if you're scent sensitive. And it comes as a 2-pack with refills, so you can cover 2 rooms day 1. And it works as well as the bigger name pheromone diffusers. And the behavior backside when you run out is honestly the best proof it's doing something. Okay, and then one of the cons here, one of the things that could be improved, and this is not just native to this, is that the results can vary from cat to cat. In general, this works well, but it will be dependent on your cat and just the environment that they're in. So just keep that in mind. This isn't a guaranteed fix for every single cat. So who is this for? So this is really for anyone with a cat that's showing stress behaviors, fighting with other cats, marking, scratching the furniture more than usual, over grooming themselves to the point of, bald patches, hiding constantly, or being defensive for no obvious reason. It's especially good for multi-cat households where the alpha is picking fights with the others, for cats adjusting to a new home or a new family member, and for indoor-outdoor cats, you're trying to transition to fully indoors. It's also a really nice option if you travel and want some peace of mind that your cat isn't sitting at home stressed the whole time you're gone. So who this is not for. So if your cat's behavior issue is medical, like a UTI causing marking, a diffuser is not going to fix that. You'll want to talk to your vet first. And if you're expecting an instant overnight fix, this isn't that either. This is a slow burn product that shifts the baseline of the room over a couple of weeks. So in my opinion, if you've got a cat with stress behaviors and you've ruled out anything medical, this is definitely a diffuser worth checking out.